Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to schedule and send email in Gmail, automatic email sending. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just open Gmail account. Now I just want to compose some email. So this email I have composing over here. So meeting with the CEO, and I have given the recipient numbers and their email ID and greetings from HowXT, and what are the message you want, you can enter over here. So now I just want to send this email tomorrow morning. So I want to schedule today itself so that it will be peaceful. I can go for the weekend, so I can able to enjoy my weekend, but the email will go with the schedule option. What I have to do here? So from the send option, there will be a down arrow mark will be there, more send option. Just hit the button, there will be a schedule send. Just hit the button schedule send. There will be a tomorrow morning, May 17 8 a.m. or this afternoon or anything else. You can just click, means you can have seen. If you clicked, means you just click here to undo or view message. So cancel sending over here. So again the draft will come over here. So you can choose a schedule this afternoon or Monday morning, or pick the date and time. For example, I just click here for the pick date and time over here. So I just want to send in Saturday at what time you want to have, some 8 a.m. or 9:12 a.m. or anything else you can give according to your timing. With that you can enter for your things, then you can send. Schedule and send means automatically the send schedule for Saturday May 18 9 a.m. so automatically it will deliver. So I'm peacefully enter into my weekend, so that the compost mail will be sent with the schedule option. So if you want to see what are the schedule options are there in your mail, in your right hand side corner you will find inbox, started, snower and scheduled. So which I scheduled here, just click the button, so you can see what are the scheduled meeting are there. So you can delete, or you can see May 18th it is going to send. If you want, you can cancel, or you can change the scheduled time and date. Everything you can change according to your needs. So if you want to cancel this send option, you can cancel this option also. So this is a simple and easiest way. While you compose the mail, you just click here to schedule and send the mail. Before you're scheduling, you just need to type email ID and just click here to schedule and send. Whatever meanings, what are the meetings are there, you can pick and send according to your time base. So if you choose this option, you can create a different types of mail and you can schedule, so that without your working hours also automatically mail will be sent to the clients. So this is a peaceful and easiest way. Use this option to schedule and send your emails, so that you can work according to your times. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.